Are you looking to create the perfect summer table setup that wows your guests? Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a garden brunch, or a romantic outdoor dinner, the right table decor can set the mood and make any gathering feel extra special. In today's video, I'll be sharing 10 stunning summer table decoration ideas that will transform your dining experience. Stick around until the end because I have one simple yet powerful styling trick that will instantly elevate your table setup.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best summer table color schemes? Choosing the right color palette brings harmony to your table setup. A classic and sophisticated choice is white and gold, which adds an elegant and timeless look. For a bold and cheerful vibe, bright colors like coral, yellow, and turquoise reflect the fun energy of summer. If you prefer a natural aesthetic, earthy tones with greens, browns, and soft pastels create a cozy and relaxed ambience. Want to see more color palette ideas? Check the description for my favorite summer table decor inspirations. How do I choose a summer table theme? Picking a theme is the first step to designing a stunning summer tablescape. A fresh and vibrant option is a tropical paradise theme featuring bright floral centerpieces, bamboo accents, and pineapple decor. If you love elegance, a coastal chic setup with soft blues, whites, and seashell details creates a breezy beach-inspired feel. For a playful and fun touch, a citrus summer theme with lemon-printed napkins, colorful plates, and fresh citrus centerpieces brings a cheerful vibe. Love these theme ideas? Like and share this video to inspire others with summer table decor. How can I create a stunning table centerpiece? A well-designed centerpiece is the focal point of any table setting. A great idea is using fresh flowers in vibrant summer hues like sunflowers, hydrangeas, or peonies in a chic vase. For a more rustic touch, placing a row of small potted plants or herbs along the table adds a fresh, natural element. If you love a creative DIY, a floating candle centerpiece in a glass bowl filled with water and flower petals creates a dreamy and elegant look. Which centerpiece idea is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. What are some must-have tableware pieces for summer dining? The right tableware ties the whole look together. A stylish choice is using patterned or colorful plates that reflect your summer theme. To elevate the look, gold or bamboo cutlery adds a sophisticated touch. For a unique and relaxed vibe, handmade ceramic bowls and woven chargers bring an organic feel to the table. Looking for stylish summer tableware? Check the description for my favorite picks. How do I use napkins and place settings to enhance my table? A beautifully folded napkin can instantly upgrade your table's appearance. A classic idea is folding napkins into elegant shapes like fans or knots for a refined touch. For a more rustic and playful look, tying napkins with twine and adding a sprig of fresh rosemary or lavender creates a charming detail. If you love personal touches, using name tag napkin rings adds a thoughtful and customized element. Want to see creative napkin folding tutorials? Subscribe for more styling tips. What's the one simple trick to instantly elevate a summer table setup? The easiest way to make any table setting look more polished is layering textures and heights for visual interest. Using a combination of different heights, like tall floral arrangements, medium-sized candle holders, and flat tableware, creates a dynamic and visually appealing look. Another simple trick is using an elegant table runner or placemats to frame the setting and give it a put-together feel. Want to achieve that effortlessly elegant table look? Check the description for my top styling essentials. How do I personalize my summer table setup? Personal touches make your table setup extra special. A great idea is customizing name cards with handwritten calligraphy or pressed flowers. If you love DIY, creating hand-painted ceramic coasters or custom placemats adds a unique and creative touch. For a memorable experience, leaving a small party favor, like a mini jar of honey or homemade jam, at each place setting makes guests feel appreciated. Want to see more DIY table decor ideas? Check the description for tutorials and inspiration. With these 10 summer table decoration ideas, you can create a stunning and inviting setup for any gathering. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my recommended table decor finds. Happy decorating and enjoy your summer tablescapes!